Can I drink alcohol on keto? Introduction to Keto Diet. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that aims to promote ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This diet has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. Understanding alcohol's role. Alcohol can be consumed on a ketogenic diet. It's important to understand how alcohol affects ketosis and your body's metabolism. Consuming alcohol in moderation is key to maintaining your ketogenic state. Carbohydrate content in alcohol. Alcoholic beverages often contain carbohydrates that can impact ketosis. Opt for low-carb options like dry wines or spirits mixed with sugar-free mixers. Effects on ketosis. Alcohol consumption can temporarily halt ketosis. The body prioritizes metabolizing alcohol over burning fat. This pause in fat burning can affect the progress of a ketogenic diet. Low-carb alcoholic beverages. On a ketogenic diet, you can enjoy low-carb alcoholic beverages in moderation. These spirits contain minimal carbohydrates, making them suitable for those maintaining ketosis. Moderation is key. Excessive drinking can disrupt ketosis and impede weight loss efforts. It is important to choose low-carb alcoholic beverages and monitor intake carefully. Alcohol and weight loss. Alcohol consumption can impede weight loss efforts on a ketogenic diet. It affects metabolism by prioritizing alcohol processing over fat burning, slowing down weight loss. Health considerations. It's important to consider your health when consuming alcohol on a ketogenic diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safe alcohol consumption while on a keto diet. Alcohol's impact on metabolism slows fat oxidation, increases appetite, keto adherence challenges. Social situations and keto. Social gatherings can pose challenges for maintaining a ketogenic lifestyle. Opt for low-carb alcoholic drinks such as dry wines or spirits mixed with sugar-free mixers. Alternatives to alcohol: sparkling water, herbal teas, mocktails, and alcohol. Stay hydrated. Drinking alcohol can lead to dehydration, which can intensify the effects of alcohol and disrupt ketosis. Let me know if you need any modifications. Alcohol and nutrient absorption. Alcohol consumption can interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, which is crucial for maintaining a balanced keto diet. Maintaining nutritional balance is vital for the effectiveness and health benefits of the ketogenic diet. Choosing the right drinks, low-carb options, avoid sugary mixers. Alcohol and blood sugar levels. Alcohol consumption can significantly affect blood sugar levels. On a ketogenic diet, it's essential to monitor how alcohol impacts your blood glucose. Long-term effects on keto. Long-term alcohol consumption can significantly impact the success of maintaining a ketogenic lifestyle. It's essential to balance lifestyle and dietary choices to sustain the benefits of a ketogenic diet over time. Balancing lifestyle and diet. Choosing low-carb alcoholic beverages and moderating intake can help maintain ketosis. Tips for responsible drinking on keto: set limits, stay hydrated, choose low-carb options. Tips for responsible drinking on keto: set limits, stay hydrated, choose low carb options. Final thoughts on alcohol and keto: be mindful, make informed choices, enjoy in moderation.